south, hood baby. Hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle. Bring around town, hit it out the park, two hands on her mouth like a muzzle. Down south, hood baby. Hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side, why got me feeling a little lazy. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle. Bring around town, hit it out the park, two hands.
Doing a project with pocket holes, what size screw to use? Let's find out. For wondering what size pocket hole screw to use for your project, it will depend on the type of material and the thickness of the material that you are using. We start with our 1-inch screw, which is used for 1/2-inch material. Then we go to our 1 1/4-inch screw, which is used for joining 3/4-inch material. We go up to our 1 1/2-inch screw, which is used for joining 7/8-inch material. And we go up to our 2 1/2-inch screw, which is commonly used for connecting material that is 1.5 inches thick, like your standard 2x4.